Hey YouTubers, hope you've enjoyed our videos as much as we've enjoyed making them. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Down below!
Joseph, let's show them how it's done. Oh, I got the big hammer for it. Smash it! Hey everybody, welcome to Tool Time with J4 and J5.
Hi everybody, welcome to Tool Time with J4 and J5. Boom, bang, firepower.
So today,
and I and Isabella Builder and Princess Builder, her name is.
So for those who watched our Stanley Jr. treasure chest, Isabella loved it so much, we decided to invite her back to do another episode with us. That's going to be a lot of fun, right?
And she wanted to have a video with us because she loved her treasure chest that we made for her. So she wanted to invite herself to Tool Time so we can build.
So Bella's got her own pink tools. And we're going to have a great day. Today we are going to be building a rainbow birdhouse. We picked this up at 5 and Below as well. And Isabella, you're going to help us put this together with your tools?
Yay!
Should we get started?
Yay!
Alright, let's go tool time. Let me bring this over here. We're going to pull out the tools when we need them. Alright, so first things first. Let's get it open. And we're going to show the camera everything that comes into the kit.
Yes!
The instructions. The instructions.
We need a tool. Okay. Could you move over for a little bit? I'm gonna throw this away.
Oh, these are cute. Look at these pieces, Bella.
I want to do that.
All right, take out the paints. We got some rope to hang it. Now it's getting warmer out. That's nice. Look at every one of these pieces. Let me show. Has cute little what are they called? Emojis on them.
Yes.
We've got ice creams, unicorns, diamonds. We got the perches.
Ooh, two
paintbrushes.
And we have the rainbow. I don't know how I'm bouncing on one finger.
Joseph, can you hold the paint by you? We got 2 brushes, one for you, one for Bella. Okay. Some glitter. Leave that with Joseph because you're gonna build this one, Isabella.
I'm gonna do the glitter.
All right, the glitter's for you. So step 1.
I'm gonna do the glitter, okay, Joseph?
Hey, step 1. Can I have the rainbow, please? Yes. Thank you.
Hooray!
Hooray! We gotta screw the perch on, which is the little one. Okay, see the hole and see the hole? We're gonna get our, so in order to use screws, we need a screwdriver. Hold this. Joseph, get a screwdriver out from yours as well.
This is not a screwdriver.
Yeah. Oh, it is. Here, Joseph, here. You could borrow this one. I think it's upstairs, actually.
I have pliers in here.
Pliers?
Oh, that will.
All right, Bella, ready?
Okay.
Daddy's gonna start it.
Screw it.
All right, let's get it in the middle. Hold on.
Screw it.
Hold on.
Let me screw it.
Yep, okay. Wait. Hold on. Princess.
Okay, now?
Go ahead. Ready? Go ahead. There you go. Oh. See, she's been watching her brother do it for so long.
And so, just so you know, Bella, last December just turned 4. Hey, Daddy, thank you. And then this December 18, she's going to turn 5.
I can have it for 5 minutes?
Oh. Oopsie.
It's okay, it's okay. I think you were turning it, but it wasn't going in. Hold on.
Yeah.
It'd be really cool if Daddy got his drill gun.
And please,
Keep on saying that.
we want 1,000 likes.
Whoa! Whoa! Subscribers, right?
Subscribe with Tool Time with 1,000.
Okay, so now we have the perch on. Hold that, Bella. We have the perch on our screwdriver fell. Okay. Step 2, we are going to get this little house.
Okay, let me do it.
And we're going to put it into the grooves.
Can I have my hammer, Daddy?
Align the sides.
My hammer.
I don't think we're going to need the hammer, honey.
I do.
You need, okay. We're going to align.
I'm going to do that. Yes.
We don't need that yet. Hold on. Slide the base in. No. Daddy's reading directions. Hold on. We have the two pieces there we go, that form the house. And then we have the two sides. So these are the two sides.
Nail back in.
There we go. Okay, so Daddy found the grooves and the grooves match. All right, ready? Joseph, Bella? I want Bella to do one side. Joseph, you do the other. Let me just start it for you guys. Can I have a screwdriver? Thank you. All right, we're going to attach the walls of the house.
To the center of the house.
To the
Can I
back.
do right
Hold on,
there?
you're going to do one and Joseph's going to do the other. Hold on.
I want to do one.
Hold on, Isabella. You're doing great, guys. Joseph, can I have the screwdriver?
Stop it!
Thank you.
Put it in my hair.
Say, Joseph, I'm a princess builder.
I'm princess builder.
You can't mess my hair.
You can't mess my hair.
This is
Not gonna do this 2 times anymore.
Hey, be nice. Be nice. Okay, Joseph, you're going to do the right side. Isabella, you're going to do the left side. Go ahead, Bella. You screw this one in. Joseph, you screw that one in. Go ahead. And we whistle while we work. Do you know how to whistle, Bella? Interesting. Joseph, can you whistle? Oh, look at those lips!
I can't whistle. Can't whistle, Daddy.
That's alright. You're gonna learn how to whistle one day.
Oh, I need a head start.
But what happens when somebody whistles at you?
My hammer.
You tell Daddy. No hammer time yet?
When I do this.
Okay, we do it together? Bella's almost done. Come on.
I can do it, Dad.
Oh, you can do it.
Mine's deep.
Come on.
Mine's bigger. Oh my
They're
God,
the same
why is mine
size.
bigger?
Oh, alright. Let me see. Let me
Hold
see.
mine
I got it, Joseph.
tight.
Go ahead.
Tight. It's tight, Daddy.
See how Joseph's doing it nice and smooth?
It's
Applying a little
tight,
pressure.
Daddy. Mine's tighter than Bella's.
Yeah.
Oh,
Tight.
move, Daddy.
Okay, guys.
Oh my God.
Alright, can we move on to step 3?
Yeah,
All
not
right.
yet.
Not yet, Joseph's not.
Now.
Now we can. Okay.
Let me.
So what we did. Okay. 1 second. 1 second, you two. Let's say what happened. So we took the back piece and we attached the two sides.
Are we done?
Now step 3.
Okay, step 3.
No.
We have the back side of unicorns and some more unicorns and a life of wonder and a Wonder Woman thing.
I'm having a great
Another
time.
unicorn.
And
next we will attach that right there. That's just
Who's reading the directions? Daddy is. Okay. Step 3. We have
step
to.
3.
Step 3. We're gonna slide in the pig. So now.
And we're gonna attach this to there.
Okay, that's right. Somebody's getting the idea. Joseph's done this before, I know. Joseph, give me a little tap with the hammer on the back plate here. Easy though, easy. More than that. And focus on this corner.
With my hammer, I need
Oh, actually, yeah, Bella, you could join us. All right, Joseph did that side. Let Bella do this side.
Joseph, you do this side. Done. I'm done.
Okay, good.
We don't need a break.
That was great, guys. Step 4. I'm so excited.
Step 4.
This is riveting.
Step 4.
Step 4.
And then step. Boom, bang, fire,
Yeah.
boom, boom, bang, bang.
Boom, bang.
Fire, power. Boom, bang, fire, power. Boom.
I love having you both
Fire,
together.
power.
All right, I'm gonna start this, Bella. Okay, and then you're gonna finish. Okay.
And
Okay, I got it. No hammers. No hammers are required. We're screwing in the side of the house here.
that looks like a pony.
It does,
That looks
doesn't it?
like a bell.
Daddy's just gonna finish this step, okay? We're going right to the next one. All
I'm
right.
gonna.
No. Hold on 1 second. Now the other side is rotate.
I'm gonna do the other side.
Okay, you want to do the other side? Rotate right here.
I can do it.
I know, but let me start it and then you finish. Okay, so we're gonna connect two sides to the
Let me do
I
it.
know you can. Let me just a couple times. Ready? Whistle while you work. It's almost in right now. Okay, go ahead. Finish it.
I do it.
Go ahead, turn it.
What?
Okay, so I'll hold it, right? And then you turn it. That's right. Oh, so nice. Wait, a little pressure, honey. Do a little muscle.
Make
Push.
sure just for my sister, 5,000,000 likes. Just for my little sister.
All right, Joseph, give me a little. I need Joseph's power a little bit. Joseph, screw that in 3 more times. 3, screw. It's a little loose. Watch how Joseph does it, Bella. Watch, learn. Look it. He's leaning into it. He's turning the screw. See that? What do you think? Is it tight? Good? Nice, Joseph.
I can see you.
F4. We're close.
Okay, Bella, no hammer. No hammer. Bella, stop it.
Pull the rope through the wooden toggle.
And just for my dad, get at least 2,000 likes.
2,000.
Okay, now
A lot of
my
math.
brothers and 5,000 million for this.
And tie a big knot. Big knot. At the base of the rope, making sure it's secure.
Okay, Bella made it loose.
Doesn't surprise me.
Joseph.
All right, I'm tying a knot, and this is going to go, I think, on the inside and hold it up to a tree. All right, Joseph's making it a little tighter, Bella. It's okay. It's okay. All right, ready?
Oh my God! Why is this not working? I can do my screw, Joseph.
No, Joseph, it could be loose.
Joseph, let me do it.
I need it.
Okay, Bella, it's done. Joseph.
Here we go. Is it coming off? No, we're good. We're good. You know what? I'm gonna make it a double knot.
Daddy, I'm
Yes.
doing it, Daddy.
I don't know. You're so amazing.
Stop, Joseph.
Okay, both of you, relax. Let me see. Relax. Relax. Okay, so step 3.
Make sure to like our
push-
videos.
No. Step 3. Bella, can you pull this rope out? It's going right through the middle. Wait. So we're gonna take the rope we just tied a knot to, and we're gonna pull through. Go ahead. Pull. Stop. Good. Okay, that stays right there. All right, gang, so we put the front plate on. It's going to complete our build almost to the point of paint. And there's 4 screws that then bring everything together and hold the house up together. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide and conquer. Joseph, take on these 2 screws. Isabella, take these 2, and let's make it nice and secure. I'll hold it down while you guys work together. All right, ready? Ready,
I
Bella?
can do it.
You want
Daddy,
help?
let me
You want
do
help?
it.
You got it. Okay. Joseph, not so tight that it cracks the wood, just snug enough, right?
Oh, could you move your hand a little bit? Yeah.
Oh, you guys are nice. You guys are sharing tools, working together.
Can't see.
Can't see. Okay. Hop on the table if you need a little extra leverage. I mean. Whoa. Nice, Joseph. Good work. Bella, why don't you move on to this one, honey? And Joseph will take down the other.
Joseph, you can do this one, okay, Joseph?
That's good teamwork. Hold on. Bella, you work on this one now.
I need to get on the table.
No, you don't. Get on the table. You're strong. Good, Bella.
Mommy, pardon me, Mommy?
Can I try?
Joseph, can I have the chair on, please, Joseph?
All right, Bella, finish.
This? Okay, let me do it.
I'm just holding it down. Go ahead. Ooh. This is coming together. Nice.
It's tight,
It's
Joseph.
tight. All right, let me see. Joseph, please, let's get the paintbrushes out. Let's put our tools away. Let's get the glitter out.
I need to do the
Let Daddy just
Bella, hold on.
give it a little
Let's put them right here for
Daddy string. Here, I also have this paintbrush.
Can you do the glitter, Joseph? Yes, but you can do it when you're painting. Okay. And when Daddy says, okay? I'm going to do
let's see.
this one. No, we already have to.
All right, you two, look. I'm going to pretend to be a tree. What do you think?
Does not look good.
I'm a tree. I can't answer.
What does this one do, Daddy?
It's a paintbrush. They all paint.
It's for me?
All right, so let's break out the paints. So in the picture, if we want to paint it
Dad, do you want to...
like the picture, the clouds are silver, and then...
Here.
Thanks. No, I'll use this one.
Here.
I'll use this one.
No, that's Bella.
No, there should be two. Everybody has one. Okay. Are we doing the cloud silver?
You have this one.
Okay.
You switch.
Ready? Let's get a little paint on first, and then we'll say our goodbyes.
I'll do this, and then you.
Here, Bella. You like
spread it.
purple? Let's start purple.
Whoa.
Here, Bella. Let's get some color on here.
Okay, let me do it.
All right.
I'll put it down.
You got it. Well, that's shot right out.
Oh, make sure to not.
That's okay, that's okay. We're gonna paint glitter right on over it. Okay. Let's get it going. Alright. While we're doing this, why don't we say goodbye? Could everyone look at the camera and say goodbye to our friends?
Bye, guys.
Say thanks for stopping by.
Thanks for stopping by at Cool Time with J4 and G5 and Princess Builder.
Princess Builder.